Quartiles are values which divide the data into 4 equal parts. There are only 3 quartiles: the lower quartile, median, and the upper quartile. Q1 is the first quartile, Q2 is the second quartile, which is also the median. Q3 is the third quartile. Q1, Q2, Q3. Data is arranged from smallest to largest. The first group starts from the smallest value up to Q1, which is also the 25% mark. The second group includes values between Q1, that is 25% mark, and 50% up to the median. The third group includes values between Q2, which is the median, up to the 75% mark, that is Q3. And the fourth group includes values between Q3, that is 75% mark, up to the highest value in the entire distribution. Example: the scores of 15 students in mathematics test are as follows: 55, 57, 61, 64, 67, 69, 70, 72, 74, 75, 78, 86, 88, 91, 93. These scores are arranged in ascending order. The median or Q2 in this data is the 8th item, which is 72. Now Q1 will be the middle value between the first and the 8th item, which is also the median, which is the value of 4.5th item, that is 8 plus 1 divided by 2, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. Thus Q1 will be the average of 4th and 5th values. So Q1 is equal to 64 plus 67 divided by 2, which is equal to 131 divided by 2 is equal to 65.5. Q3 is the middle value between the median, that is Q2, and the highest value. Median is 72, next value is 74, 75, 78, 86, 88, 91 and 93. So Q3 is the middle value between 72 and 93. So Q3 is equal to average of 4th and 5th values in the second half, that is Q2 to the highest score. Q2 is also the median. So Q3 is equal to 78 plus 86 divided by 2, which is equal to 82. Median has been included in the calculation of Q1 and Q3. So friends, that's it for now, and please continue watching my channel for more videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.